What's up guys? Today we're making smoked turkey tacos with a jalapeno lime coleslaw.
The first step in this recipe is to create a brine. We'll combine a 1/4 cup of salt, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 bay leaf, and 1 quart of cold water. Then we'll place the wild turkey breast into the brine, cover it with a lid, and refrigerate for 12 to 24 hours. After we've let the turkey brine, we can rinse it with cold water and then set it aside while we create our dry rub. We'll need a tablespoon of paprika, a tablespoon of salt, 2 teaspoons black pepper, 2 teaspoons garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of Mexican oregano, and 1 teaspoon of cumin. Before we season our wild turkey breast, we'll pat it dry using paper towels. Once the turkey breast is dry, we can add our seasonings and use olive oil and our hands to rub it into the meat. Now we're ready to head over to the smoker. We're going to place the wild turkey breast into our smoker and let it cook for about 4 hours at 225 degrees Fahrenheit. At the halfway mark, we'll take out our wild turkey breast, place it in an aluminum foil, add a tablespoon or 2 of butter, and then wrap it, leaving it slightly open at the top to vent to finish cooking. While the turkey's finishing up in the smoker, we'll make the coleslaw by combining coleslaw, cilantro, red onions, jalapeños, mayo, apple cider vinegar, lime juice, white sugar, salt, black pepper, Mexican oregano, and cumin. We'll mix those ingredients together and then set them in the fridge until our turkey reaches 165. That's when we can pull it off of our smoker and then cut it into cubes. We'll place our turkey meat and our coleslaw on top of a tortilla and top it with some queso fresco, and we're ready to serve.